Hello guys, welcome to the Altmeter. My name is Tarun. In this video, I wanna show you some Bitcoin on-chain analysis from the Glassnode. So I am looking at the chart Bitcoin hold waves, especially this colorful representation of the waves indicates the holding waves of the Bitcoin, and this gray actual graph indicates the price of the Bitcoin. So when we see this violet color region, as this is greater than 10 years, so that those accounts holding over 10 years are increasing, and it has reached all-time high over here, which means the major supply of the Bitcoin, almost 80% of the Bitcoin has not moved into the exchanges, which means all the Bitcoin, those holders are storing the Bitcoin in cold wallets or ledgers or some MetaMask wallets or trust wallets or some wallets, but that available 80% of the Bitcoin are not in the exchange right now. Only we are trading about the remaining percentage of the Bitcoin, so which is a huge bullish parameter for the Bitcoin for the sonic boom begin. So I am looking at the supply shock ratios as well, and this green wave indicates the LTH supply shock ratio. LTH supply shock ratio means long term holding supply shock ratio, which means this is also reaching all time high here, and definitely whenever this breaks it below, we are going, the Bitcoin price was increasing over the years. To demonstrate that better, I have some this graph supply shock ratios. So if you see here, when this green LTH supply shock ratio is reaching its boundary here, it is breaking down below. When this is happening, and we can see this gray graph is increasing, which is the price of the Bitcoin. Again, it is overlapping here, and it is reaching the bottom, and it started dipping. The price of the Bitcoin started, and that indicates the bear market here. And again, in the January 2019, we can see the LTH supply shock ratio is reaching its top, and meanwhile this gray chart showing the bullishness here, or this short term up to until July, and we are headed to bottom again. And in January 2020, the supply shock ratio has still increased, and every time this happened, that Bitcoin price went up. So right now we are in the top, where the LTH supply shock ratio is reaching its all-time high. So which means that available percentage supply is very less in the exchanges. So when the supply is reduced in the exchanges, definitely what happens, demand for the Bitcoin price increases drastically, and we are going to break all time high soon, within 2 or 3 days, I'm very sure about it. And we are headed to the parabolic move which is incoming, and we are going to see a new Bitcoin price setting over above 100k or 150k above range, as per the previous cycle price action. I am concluding it. Again, this is my personal view as per my research, and you should not take it as a financial advice. If you feel this analysis is true, please comment below. So if you don't agree with this, comment below too. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll come up with the next video. Until then, see you. Thanks, guys. Bye.